Hello. I hope you are doing good. I hope you are doing fine. So I just wanted to make this quick video because it has been so long since I made a video on YouTube, and I just wanted to give a little bit of an update about my life. So basically guys, I've been in Vietnam for 2 months now, and so far the experience has been incredible. I feel like this place is really good and underappreciated and underrated for so much, because to me, I was a big fan of Thailand, and I'm still a big fan of Thailand, but as you know, a lot of people already go in there. A lot of people movement is going to Thailand, and I always think about myself, if everyone is going to a place, there are some hidden gems. There are some hidden gems like this, where you can live a very good life affordably without having to spend all your money on a lifestyle, and without having to be in a place, I'm not gonna cite the names, but you already know those places that are very materialistic and very kind of like not the best place to find yourself and concentrate on your work. And especially if you are working online, I feel like nature is your best friend, because nature will give you calm and will let you concentrated on your goals. When you are in a big city, for example, I'm saying like Dubai, Bangkok, Jakarta, there are so many distractions. Yeah, you can do 1 month there, you can do 2 months there, but I don't think you will have the same productivity that you would have in an island or in a city or in a beach town, because those places literally you work, you go to the beach, you work, you go to the beach. It's like mentally you are calm and you can give the best of your life or the best of yourself in your work. So I'm gonna give you a little bit, okay, not the woman for sure, but I'm gonna give you a little bit of tour here, so we can see how it's going on. Yes, you can see literally this is very good. Vietnam is very good. And you know what's crazy, guys, is that they made a little survey, and they found out that 1 out of 5 Americans still think that the war is happening in Vietnam, which is of course is not true, but you already know. It means that a lot of people are underappreciating these places like this. I'm sorry, I'm gonna give you more. Oh, that's very good. That's very, very, very good. Okay, I'm going to go back to my place. As you can see, I'm here in the pool right now. Let me put my glasses like that so I can see you better and I can talk to you directly, eyes to eyes, never lies. This is a good place. This is a very, very, very chill place. Okay. Yeah, so I had to cut the camera again. And basically, what else? Crypto updates. So I want to update you a little bit about what's happening in the crypto world. Basically, right now it's still going back and forth. We are seeing Bitcoin at $100K, which is very good, a very good sign. Let's see how it goes. I always said one thing to all the people who want to make money with crypto is actually you have to be able to afford to lose some money. So I wouldn't advise to only like having that one source of income. But basically, if you can have another source of income and risk some money in crypto, that's basically the best thing you can do. And you can go back to my old videos. I've always said that, and I've always told you guys, never put more than you can afford to lose. And it's the same thing that I'm doing as well. I don't stress. I know long term these things will go, and whenever there is an opportunity of selling high or buying low, I take advantage of that opportunity. One more thing, the private VIP group is still closed. We are no more accepting new people, so I will let you know if that changed. And the reason for that being closed, we want to provide the best value to the already existing members. So I don't want new members to come in, and I will keep you updated. Other than that, I don't know, guys. Feel free to tell me about any question you have. I'll try to answer everything on the comments, but basically that's it. You know, one more thing that I want to discuss is that, like, the internet is a great opportunity. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like whenever I go to these places, all people I meet are like older people, whether they are already retired, more than 60 years old, or they haven't like a vacation, and they are mostly like 35, 36 years old. It's rare for me to find someone 25, 24, 22. It's like very rare, because most people that are working on a job, they will not afford to like travel. They can only travel certain period of time. But with the internet, you basically have this opportunity, and I think taking advantage of that. I'm not gonna sell you the dream and tell you it's easy. Of course, it's not easy. Nothing easy is worth it, but it's something that you need to be thinking about, because digitalizing or going to like searching for ways to make money online basically will create more opportunity for you and your life. Even if you don't want to like travel the world, because I feel like for me, like when I was young, like I really liked traveling, you know, and I really like enjoyed going and talking with other people, other culture, and really like I'm gonna show you another boat, guys. I don't know if you can see it. There is a boat there. But as I said, I really liked talking to new people, discovering new things. And when I was like very young age, I always went to my family and friends, and I talked with them and said, I need to work online. You know, the internet back then wasn't that much advanced, but I always told them I need to work online, I need to work online, I want to travel the world and still make money. And there is a great traveler, a Moroccan traveler called Ibn Battuta. He traveled 44 countries, and basically what he was doing is like getting a job on each country and providing value on these countries while traveling the world. And he was able to go from Morocco to Indonesia. So just try to see that or visualize that. 44 countries visited by one single person. Back then, I think it was 1,300 year. But for me, I think right now I'm in my I think 19 or 20 countries that I visited. I dream about visiting 100 countries. I think it would be good. Yeah, I also would like to provide the most value that I can provide to people. I feel like I have a lot of I would say value that I can provide to people and that I can help people, and that's what brings me joy, to be honest. So that's part of the work, and also part of fun and traveling. I think traveling and discovering new things is very I'm very passionate about that. And yeah, basically that was the updates, guy. Still living life, still like enjoying every moment of it. And yeah, I hope you guys stay up. And if you have, as I told you, I want also to see your questions, so let me know in the comments. Take care, guys, and talk to you very soon.